The cost today is $521,749 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $14,163,688 United States dollars. We update our DIA to United States dollars cost progressively. DIA is down 563% as of now. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning is number 475, with a live market cap of $37,775, 472 United States dollars. It has a coursing supply of 72,401,614 DIA coins and a maximum supply of 200,000,000 DIA coins. The DIA coin cost has resisted gravity in the beyond couple of days. The token leaped to the most elevated level since April 4, even as different coins tumbled. It is presently exchanging at $0.8760, around 193% over the least level this month. Also, its all-out market cap has ascended to more than $61 million, making it a best 400 cryptographic money. What is DIA coin? DIA is a somewhat new blockchain stage that tries to upset the profit business that Chainlink presently rules. Its job in the business is to get information from unified and decentralized trades and afterward alter them. This off-chain information can then be coordinated with other on-chain stages like the metaverse, stablecoins, marking rewards, and NFT stages. The stage is viable with most blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polkadot, Polygon, and Phantom, among others. Thus, it is hazy why the DIA coin cost has risen strongly this week. A potential explanation is that the organization sent off the Omidex DEX scrubber, which empowers DIA to gather and total market information on Telo's biological system. Likewise, the stage was additionally embraced by Tomb Finance, which is a famous DeFi stage. DIA coin cost expectation. The 2-hour outline shows that the DIA value collided with a low of $0.3015 on May 12. Before the ongoing bounce back, the coin shaped a rising wedge displayed in dark. In cost activity investigation, this example is normally a negative sign. Nonetheless, the coin figured out how to refute the negative standpoint. It has then bounced over the 25-day and 50-day moving midpoints. The coin has likewise passed the slipping trendline that is displayed in blue. Furthermore, it moved over the key obstruction level at $0.9921. By and large, these illustrative moves will generally be fleeting. Thusly, it is probably going to withdraw as financial backers take benefits. In the event that this occurs, the following key help to watch will be at 50 cents. Its refutation point will be at $1.1815. Who are the founders of DIA? The DIA affiliation was helped to establish by a gathering of 12 individuals, however Paul Claudius, Michael Weber and Samuel Brack are the pioneers. Claudius is the essence of the task and its lead advocate, once in a while likewise referenced as a CBO. He has a boss's degree in worldwide administration from ESCP Europe and a single guys in business and financial matters from Pasa University. Aside from dealing with DIA, he is additionally a prime supporter and CEO of Blockstate AG and C Endeavors. Before crypto, he had filled in as chief for a nourishment organization called NU3. Michael Weber is DIA's founder and association president. He holds degrees in administration from ESCP Business School and of financial matters and physical science from University of Cologne, Germany. He has worked in a few banks and monetary foundations prior to going to crypto, where he established such ventures as Goodcoin, Milusi and Blockstate. Samuel Brack serves DIA in the job of CTO. Like both Claudius and Weber, he has a similar situation at Blockstate. He has a boss's degree in software engineering from Humboldt University of Berlin, where as of January 2020, he is as yet reading up for his PhD. What makes DIA unique? DIA intends to turn into the wicked. It explicitly resolves the issue of dated unsubstantiated difficult to get to information in the realm of money and crypto, particularly DeFi, while proposing to address it via arrangement of monetary motivators for clients to keep the progression of open source, approved information streams to the profits going. The ongoing plan of profits, DIA contends, is non-straightforward, hard proportional and powerless against assault. The DIA administration token will be utilized to support information assortment, information approval, deciding on administration choices, and to boost the improvement of the stage. Clients can stake DIA tokens to incentivize new information to show up on the stage, however admittance to authentic information however DIA is free. We anticipate future DIA cost expectations DIA estimate by applying profound man-made brainpower helped specialized analysis on the past value information of DIA. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest authentic information for the DIA coin which incorporate various boundaries like past value, DIA market cap, DIA volume and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. DIA Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by our profound, specialized examination on past value information of DIA, in 2022 the cost of DIA is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 41 cents. The DIA cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 48 cents with a typical exchanging cost of 42 cents. Cap is the DIA cost today. Today DIA is exchanging at 53 cents with a market cap of $38,335,556.000. What will be the DIA most elevated conjecture cost for 2022? The DIA cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of 48 cents toward the finish of 2022. Is DIA a wise speculation? DIA's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the greatest exploration conceivable. How high might DIA at any point go? The typical cost of DIA could go to 42 cents before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $1.92 mark. What amount will DIA be worth in 2030? As far as value, DIA has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is gauged that DIA will increment in esteem. As